Hey, okay, it's me, Debbie Knatt Jones, with Eating with Knatt Jones. Let's just start there. I just read Born to Rise by Deborah Kinney. It is a great book. As an educator, as a board member for a new charter school, I felt like I needed to read that book. I've been in education over 10 years, and it's enough for me to see what's going on and, just kind of figure, all right, this ain't working. Either I got to change or the system got to change. Something has to happen. But after reading Deborah Kennedy's Born to Rise book, I know what has to happen. So tonight I am going to do a review for sure with all of my favorite quotes in the book and all of my favorite quotes. I'm going to just start there. I'm going to just start with my favorite quotes that I would like to share, that I am going to take value from Deborah's book. All right, so I'm going to get the quotes and I'm going to read them to you. But right now, let me tell you, let's talk about NeNe's secret. NeNe's secret perfect pretty pudding. You see my hair? I like it. Like I said before, it smells really, really good. My daughter, Destiny, she likes my hair. She likes the texture of it. I like the smell. I've just been using it to just moisturize my hair every day. That's all I got. And then that's a wrap. Put my hat on. Okay. And that's about to be a wrap. But stay tuned. I'm going to share with you my favorite quotes from Deborah Kennedy's book, Born to Rise. All right.